boys and girls. Welcome to Kitropolis. My name's Miss Rachel. Whether this is your first time or you've been here a million times, we're so excited because we have an awesome service planned for you today. But before we get started, I want to introduce you to my friend, Fuzzy. Hey, Fuzzy, where are you? Fuzzy! Fuzzy! Oh, here he is. Hi, Fuzzy.
Hi, boys and girls. My name's Fuzzy. Before we get started, let's go over a few rules. Rule number 1. We only use nice words. Rule number 2. Interruption is uncool. And rule number 3. Never leave the room. Never leave the room. Wow, you guys are so awesome. It was so great to meet you today. We've got a great service planned, crazy worship, prizes, and fun. Back to you, Miss Rachel.
All right, boys and girls, stand on your feet and let's get ready to worship. Bye, Fuzzy.
Bye.